Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Naeem and this is the 15th video of the 30 videos English speaking challenge. In today's video we'll talk about I do not know what should I talk about, because in the previous video we talked about the Holy Quran and why should we read the religious scriptures, and today's video will also talk for something. I mean, do you really believe that aliens exist or not? Do you believe or not? All of these questions. I mean, does God exist or not? Does do aliens exist or not? All of these questions are very interesting and very, you can say, curious questions. We must follow them. We must pursue them and try to find the answer. It's not a big deal. It's not a wrong idea. We must all do this. And the point, when does the time come when you start all these questions, and how will these productive and good questions come in your mind, is the only way, the only way is reading, because I read a lot of books. So when I read and some interesting questions come in my mind, or some interesting questions I come across in those books, so your mind gets broadened, your mental horizons gets broadened. So you become very flexible. You're not to stamp on people that this is non-believer, this is go to hell, all of these kind of things. You'll not do it, because I always say that pondering about the greatness of the universe is directly proportional to humility. You know, the more you think about the greatness of the universe, the greatness of God, the greatness of what He has done, the more you'll become humble. You'll become very humble. You'll not boastful. You'll not become boastful. You'll not be arrogant. You'll not be all of those kind of person. You'll become very humble. So once you get humble, you'll not hesitate. You'll not hesitate to to ask all of these questions or to pursue them. So then you will get to know about some interesting and curious things. So for example, I really want to know about the aliens. I really want to know about them. Every time I get a video on YouTube or something, I really want to learn about them. And same is the case with time travel. I really want to know about the time travel, about the aliens, about all of those interesting and curious and strange things. I really want to know about them. I really want to know about the Sufism. The Sufism, how people, there's a concept of a lot of things in Sufism. They do time travel, they do a lot of things, but to us it's impossible, but to them they are doing it on on daily basis. So all of these things, I'm really interested in all of these things. I really want to know about them. So what is the best way to know about them? The best way to know about them is reading and exploring. So if you don't read, how will you get to know about them? And that's the one of the ways. Reading is one of the ways you get the second hand data or the secondary data, you say, but you get you have an idea. You get an idea about them. And then the second point is, or the second step, obviously, is to meet those people who has done some miracles, or who are very strange people. You can meet them as well. For example, this occult science, I really want to know about the occult science as well. All of these things, I mean, once you start reading, once you start exploring the world, don't think about anything. Start reading about strange things. And whenever you start talking to people, people will really be mesmerized by your mentality, and they will really mesmerized and curious. They will really want to listen to you, because that's how people don't explore all of these things. People do not explore all of these things. Either they are taboos, they think that taboos, or they don't have the any interest in all of these things. But we must do it as educationists, as students. We must do all of these things. We must explore all of these things to to broaden our mental horizons. And this is the best way. I really want to know about everything. I want to know the unknown and see the unseen. I really want to know about all of these things: time travel, portals, aliens. You can say the there's one more. I think I'm not forgetting the terminologies, but the process when you sleep and your body is possessed by another spirit or something like that, and you can see your body but you cannot enter it because there is another spirit over there. So I do not know OCD or some. No, no, I think out of body experience. Yeah, I think out of body experience is one of the terms used for that, and death experience is also one of the terms. So I want to know about all of these things. I want to experience all of these things. I want to know about all of these things. Thank you so much. This was the 15th video. We'll complete 30 videos by the end of the last Ramadan.